Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung phone if you forgot the password or the PIN. So let's get started. Very first thing is we need to go ahead and turn off the phone. Just use the volume down and the side button. You're going to press and hold at the same time. And this menu will pop up as you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and do it again. And then I'm going to go ahead and power it off. Just go ahead and power it off first. Wait till it's completely powered off. Now, once it's powered off, this is the key step here. You're going to take the volume up and this lock or the power button. You're going to press and hold at the same time here. And you're going to wait until you can see a recovery menu come up. So you can see here, I'm holding down, again, the volume up and this lock side button until it gets into that Android recovery mode. And from there on, what I will do is using the volume down and up, you can navigate. So if you press once, you'll see an option that says wipe data and factory reset. And then you're going to click on that side of the power button to select, and it'll go ahead and hard reset your basically your Samsung phone or any Android phone as well. Keep in mind, if you do this, you'll need to, if you had a Google account signed in, you'll still need to use that password to get in. So that's how you would do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.